Hey there, want to earn some easy cash? You can earn $20 every 10 minutes, all while chilling on your couch. Well, get ready because I've got the tool called UPDF. It's like having a money printing machine in your hands, and it works worldwide. If you're in the busy streets of New York or the serene hills of Nepal, UPDF has got your back. Today, we're about to dive into the details of how to make money online. So, let's dive in. But before that, let me share with you my experience. I remember when I was working on a project that required a lot of PDF editing. I had to review and annotate numerous documents, add text and images, and even sign some forms. At first, I tried using a basic PDF editor, but it was heavy and lacked many essential features. I felt frustrated and overwhelmed, especially considering the tight deadlines. That's when I decided to explore more advanced PDF editing tools, and that's when I discovered UPDF. It was like a breath of fresh air. With UPDF, I could do everything I needed in one place, effortlessly. I could edit text, insert images, add annotations, and even sign documents with ease. Plus, its intuitive interface made the whole process a breeze. With UPDF, I was able to maximize my productivity and efficiency. I could focus on the task at hand without worrying about the limitations of my PDF editor. It was excellent for me, and I haven't looked back since. Now let's talk about UPDF's versatility. You see, one of the beauties of UPDF is its adaptability. You can access it whether you're on the go with your mobile phone or settled in front of your trusty computer. It doesn't matter where you are or what device you're using. UPDF has got you covered. So, how can you start reaping this money-making machine? It's simpler than you think. Just follow these steps. First, head over to updf.com and go to the Resources section. Secondly, click on the Enticing Affiliate Program option. Thirdly, join the UPDF affiliate program and secure your very own affiliate link. Lastly, once you've got your link, it's time to spread the word and start earning those sweet commissions. With UPDF's versatility and simple steps to get started, there's no excuse not to dive into its effortless earning. Now let's learn about other advantages of using UPDF that can vary depending on its specific features and capabilities. But generally, PDF editing tools like UPDF offer several benefits. First is cost-effectiveness. Compared to premium options like Adobe Acrobat, UPDF may offer similar features at a lower cost, or even for free. Secondly is versatility. UPDF likely provides a range of tools for editing, annotating, converting, and securing PDF documents, making it a versatile solution for various needs. Next is the ease of use. Many PDF editing tools aim to be user-friendly, with intuitive interfaces and straightforward features, making it accessible to users with varying levels of technical expertise. Then, it gives accessibility. With UPDF being available on multiple platforms, such as desktop computers, mobile devices, etc., users can access and edit their PDFs from anywhere, anytime. Moreover, we have additional features. UPDF may offer unique features, like OCR, optical character recognition, which allows users to convert scanned documents into editable text, or AI-powered tools for summarization and translation, enhancing productivity and efficiency. Other things are about affiliate programs. If UPDF offers an affiliate program, users can earn commissions by promoting the software to others, providing a potential source of passive income. Ultimately, the advantages of using UPDF depend on individual needs, preferences, and the specific features offered by the software. Now let's talk about the UPDF's affiliate program that offers a generous 30% commission for each sale, translating to a potential $20 every 10 minutes, paving the way for a steady passive income stream. However, before delving into promoting your affiliate link, let's take a closer look at UPDF's distinctive features that can accelerate your commission earnings. To begin with, UPDF stands as a comprehensive PDF solution seamlessly integrated with the edge of AI technology. This brings forth many functionalities ranging from basic editing and annotating to advanced features like converting, OCR, optical character recognition, safeguarding, signing, and even employing generative AI. The beauty of UPDF lies in its universal compatibility, extending its utility across a spectrum of platforms, including Windows, Android, Mac OS, iOS, and iPad OS. This ensures that if you're working on a desktop, laptop, smartphone, or tablet, UPDF remains a great ally, empowering users across the globe with its many features and intuitive interface. After installing and logging into the UPDF application, you're ready to easily edit your PDFs. UPDF offers many features, enabling users to effortlessly incorporate text, images, comments, signatures, or annotations into their documents. Moreover, UPDF's AI capabilities extend further, facilitating tasks such as summarization and translation of PDFs. This not only enhances productivity, but also streamlines the editing process, sparing users valuable time and effort. In addition to its extensive array of features, UPDF also boasts OCR, Optical Character Recognition technology, a groundbreaking tool that revolutionizes the way scanned documents are handled. With OCR at your fingertips, you gain the remarkable ability to seamlessly convert scanned documents into editable and searchable text formats. This feature not only simplifies the editing process, but also enhances accessibility and usability, allowing you to extract, modify, and manipulate text content with unparalleled ease and efficiency. Moreover, UPDF offers high security measures to safeguard your sensitive PDF files. Through the implementation of password protection, you can fortify your documents against unauthorized access and misuse, ensuring that only authorized individuals can view or modify their contents. This additional layer of security not only provides peace of mind, but also ensures the integrity and confidentiality of your valuable documents. UPDF offers a comprehensive suite of features that rival those of Adobe Acrobat, but without the expensive price tag. Additionally, UPDF's affiliate program presents an exciting opportunity for users to earn income while advocating for a product they endorse. Overall, UPDF stands out as a compelling solution, providing users with a comprehensive set of features comparable to those found in Adobe Acrobat, but at a significantly lower cost. By opting for UPDF, users not only gain access to powerful PDF editing tools, but also benefit from substantial savings, making it an attractive choice for individuals and businesses alike. Furthermore, the UPDF affiliate program presents an exciting opportunity for users to leverage their enthusiasm for the product into a source of passive income. Through this program, users can earn commissions by promoting UPDF to others, thereby turning their endorsement into a revenue stream. This not only allows users to benefit financially, but also fosters a sense of community and collaboration within the UPDF ecosystem. So, whether you're seeking cost-effective PDF editing solutions or looking to capitalize on the earning potential of UPDF's affiliate program, there's never been a better time to join the UPDF community. Embrace the possibilities, unlock your creativity, and experience the full potential of UPDF today. Now is the time to join in the conversation. I'd love to hear from you. What do you think about UPDF and its potential for revolutionizing PDF editing and earning? Are you intrigued by its features or considering joining its affiliate program? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Profitability Plus for more tips on boosting your profitability. Remember, your success is our priority. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.
Thank you.